In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a Tinkercad link. So the first way is if you're currently inside your design, you want to go to the top right and click on this person with the plus button next to it. And as you can see, it says invite people to design with you. So click on that. And then from here, you can just generate a new link and then click on copy link. And of course, as you can see, people with this link may view and make changes to your design. So you can copy it, send it to somebody, and basically when they click on it, it's going to open just like this, your design. Okay, so that's the first way to do it. But then the second one is going to be if you go to the main menu. So if you click on top left over here to go to your dashboard, in here, if I go to my gallery, or if I go to, for example, my account, there we go, you can just click on a specific design, and from here you have the option to copy the link. Now you can copy it from here, which is going to copy the private link by default, and as you can see, design is visible only to you, so to myself in my case. And you can also click on change visibility to share, and you can go and change the name, description, and tags as well. And from here you can change your privacy, so you can select private, it's only visible to you. If you want to share a link, it's not basically publicly listed, but it's going to be visible with anyone who gets the link. Or you can do public, which is going to be viewable and discoverable by everyone on the platform. Okay, now whenever you've done this, you can select the license as well, click on save changes, and you are good to go. You can then share your link. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.